Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Denzel, and I'm a financial advisor from Sun Life, and I'm also a sports analyst and a coach. So, ngayon, we're going to do our Financial Tips 101. I'm going to give you two basic types of insurance. So, if ever you're planning to get your insurance, then you know which one best suits your lifestyle or your needs. First type is the traditional insurance. Yan yung typical life insurance na makita nyo or ino-offer even on banks. So this life insurance has two more types. One is term and the other is life payment. So term meaning covered ka ng insurance just for a short period of time. Just like yung insurance ng kotse, that's only for 5 years, or yung insurance ng motor, that's only for 1 year. So this type of insurance, pagka hindi mo siya nagamit within that period of time, wala kang makukuhang other benefits. But while you're insured, you have the safety or security na whatever happens, you have this backup plan. So normally, you get this when you just need a short-term plan. Like example, when you're traveling, or it's also a very good choice kapag medyo maliit lang yung budget na kaya nating ibigay or ilaan para sa ating insurance. So, that's your term insurance. Second is your health insurance under traditional plans. Health insurance, ito naman yung nagagamit natin pag meron tayong critical illness, which is very, very common, especially on old age. But actually, nowadays, cancer, stroke, aneurysm, all these types of critical illness, hindi lang sa matatanda nangyayari, pati na sa mga mas bata. That's why it's very important to get your health insurance at a young age. And then, next is our VUL, or tinatawag natin Variable Unit Plan. It's a type of insurance na part of the payment na hinuhulog nyo or your premium, part of it goes to investment. So, ang difference niya with the traditional plan, some traditional plans have the option na para ka lang nag-iipon. Because after your paying years is makaka-accumulate ka na ng dividends. But, on VUL, o ito yung insurance with investment, partly yung binabayad mo, pumapasok sa investment, so whatever happens to the market, it affects your insurance. Ito mas bagay ito sa mga taong medyo risk taker or medyo kaya pa nilang itabi yung pera nila for a long time. Because actually, in general, any type of insurance, I recommend that you have to keep it there for at least 20 years or more. Because less than that period of time, doon na nadidisappoint yung karamihan sa mga tao. Sabi nila, useless naman yung insurance kasi wala, binayad mo, hindi mo naman siya makukuha ng buo. Exactly! Because you're buying a type of service. And that service is this feeling of security and assurance that whatever happens, sagot ka ng Sun Life. Especially if there's an accident, critical illness, or, sudden unexpected life events na lahat naman pagdadaanan at some point. So, ito talaga yung basic types of insurance. There's also a type of insurance under traditional where you get yearly payout. Itong yearly payout na to, from after 6 years onwards for life, yearly makukuha nyo na. So, para ka nang may pang 14th month pay. So, let's say, every year nakakatanggap ka ng 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 just coming from your insurance dahil itinabi mo yung pera mo dun. So, what's the best way to keep your money, di ba? Or if you want to, like, for the younger generation, just to save and slowly build up your finances, I also recommend na unahin yung kumuha ng traditional plan. Because doon under ang health insurance. And that's really perfect for you. Kasi habang mas bata ka, mas mura at mas sulit mo rin siyang mabibili. Sa halagang nabibili siya ng, let's say, 30 years old, nabibili siya ng 20s or even younger at a much lower rate with the same insurance coverage. While if you want more flexibility on your payments, then I recommend you go for what we call VUL or insurance with investment. So if you have any more questions when it comes to your insurance, you can drop your comment and I'll reply as soon as I read them. So that's all for our Financial 101 today. This is Denzel, your financial advisor with Sunlight.